Everyone, my name is Vikas Singh. I'm an aptitude trainer of Department of Career Planning and Development at Chandigarh University. Today I'm going to tell you the importance of aptitude for the aspiring students to claim a great career with big corporate houses. Every company that comes to Chandigarh University for placements conduct aptitude test, or you can call it screening test, in their first round, right? Through aptitude test, they test a job's candidate's abilities to perform specific tasks and reacts to a range of different situations. Basically, this test gives them an indication of how candidate will respond to the challenges they will face in their day-to-day role at a firm. Basically, aptitude consists of two sections. First one, quantitative aptitude, and the second one is logical reasoning. And both sections are equally important to clear the first round, that is the aptitude test. The basic mantra to clear this round is speed and accuracy. That comes with a lot of short tricks and a lot of practice, right? Now let me give you the brief idea about the course, that is TDY 659. First I will tell you about the course objectives. First objective of this course is it will enhance the basics of number system with applications and understanding the basic rule of logic and critical thinking, right? Second one is apply mathematical methodologies to open-ended real-world problems, mathematical analysis, and formulate mathematical models of such problems. Now next I will tell you about the course contents, right? The topics that are covered under this course, that is TDY 659. In unit 1 we have topics like Vedic maths, classification of numbers, HCF, LCM, factors, division, BODMAS, remainders, factorials, unit digit, last two digits, right? Basically this unit 1 consists of number system, right? And in number system we will discuss all these topics. Next one is unit 2. In unit 2, topics that we will discuss under this courses are like percentage, profit and loss, blood relations, direction sense. Percentage, again very basic topic that helps in rest of the topics, you can say, of quantitative aptitude, right? Blood relation, direction sense, these topic comes under logical reasoning, right? Next is the unit 3. In unit 3, the topics which we have is sitting arrangement, next letter and symbol series, next average and weighted average, next we have ratio, proportion and variation, thereafter we have partnership, then mixtures and alligation, right? So these were the topics that will be covered in different units under this course. Now next I will tell you about the course outcomes, which are very important. On completion of this course, you will be able to define, understand the basic knowledge of numbers, percentage, average, mixtures and alligation, problems on ages, and the concept of aptitude and logical reasoning. Second outcome, you will be able to apply the concept of Vedic mathematics to find squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots, right? To solve MCQs faster by the application of shortcut methods, and you will learn the concept of LCM and HCF, unit digit, last two digits, to solve application based problems. Next outcome is to apply, you will be able to apply the percentage fraction tables for simplification, basic concepts of profit and loss, blood relation and number series, right? Next, to evaluate the data in bar graph, pie chart and tabular column and line graph, and the combination of data given in the graphical format, right? Next, and the last one is to effectively solve problems of bar graphs, histograms, dot plots, remainders and factorials, letters and number series, and to develop the analytical skills by analyzing the mirror images, water images, missing images. So that's all about this course. Thank you everyone.